Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe from the Instant Pot collection that we are making, and it is going to be Ideal Protein Chocolate Instant Pot Bites. And this recipe was contributed by Ideal Wellness in Michigan, which is run by a good friend of mine, Susan Radway, and I am excited to show it to you today. And the recipe is down below, so make sure that you like and subscribe if you want more recipes like this. Today we're going to be making chocolate instant bites, and here is the ingredients. We're going to be using the Walden Farms caramel syrup, a little bit of olive oil, the chocolate drink mix from Ideal Protein, vanilla extract, and some baking powder. We're going to be using an egg and some water. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And I like this brand from Whole Foods. So here we go. So we'll start with that. And then we are going to mix in an egg. So we'll, you can use a little whisk, or you can use a fork. And the next thing we're gonna do is 1/2 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. So I'm just gonna do like a little 1/2 lid full, which is about 1/2 teaspoon. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of the caramel syrup, the Walden Farms. So remember, guys, that 000 does not mean unlimited. Always use your serving sizes, and on this Walden Farms product, a serving size is 2 tablespoons. So, you know, this is a 1/2 of what we call an extra. So extras in our clinic are up to 3 per day. And so if you want to have some Walden Farms dressing, syrups, what have you, count them out. And we're now going to do a tablespoon of water. So I got my little handy little guy here. Just a little bit extra there. Alrighty. And we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder. These little guys, we're going to be doing a lot of Instant Pot recipes. It's kind of like my favorite little tool now. Everything can be, you know, you can do so many things in it. You can do slow cooking, you can do fast cooking, you can do sauteing, baking. So it really makes it super convenient. And now we are going to add our packet of the Ideal Protein chocolate drink mix, which is in our clinic the #1 seller. And so we're gonna mix all of this up. So here we have the mixture that's going to go into the cups, and I bought these neat little silicone cups, and I actually got them at IKEA. So I'm going to fill these, and then we're going to put them in the Instant Pot, and we are going to cook them. I have portioned them out into 5 of these silicone cupcake holders, and just gonna put them on the little stand here that goes in the bottom. So one of the things we're gonna do is actually add a cup of water to the bottom of the Instant Pot. So we're going to put the lid on now, and these guys are super fast. We are only going to actually put it on for 1 minute. So you push the pressure cooker button, and I'm gonna kind of move the camera over here so you can see what I'm doing. But you're gonna push the pressure button, and then I'm gonna bring this all the way down to 1 minute. And then up here, what you wanna do on this valve here is we wanna seal it. So we gotta turn it to the right to seal it, and then it turns on. So now we're going to open the lid, and you know, always wear some mittens, and you're gonna bring this over here and let it vent so that before you take the lid off, it is completely, the steam is completely gone. And then you're just gonna turn the lid take that off. Whoa, these look awesome. Can you see those? Wow. So those are your chocolate bites, and you're gonna take them out and you can eat them warm, and this is 1 serving of unrestricted. I have this warm plate of chocolate instant bites, and remember, this is just 1 serving of non-restricted, so if you're having that chocolate craving, this is a good option. This recipe was contributed by Susan Radway, and she runs Ideal Wellness in Okemos, Michigan. So I'll put her link down below, and you can check out more recipes by her Ideal Protein Clinic. All right, you guys, have a good one.